If you hate the task of deep watering your plants, a deep root watering wand will probably solve that problem. As a container gardener, I do find I have to water more frequently, and on the hottest days, I need to water very deeply or the soil will just dry out too quickly. Or if I know I am going to be away from the garden for a few days, deep watering ahead of time can be a huge help with keeping my plants hydrated, especially since I don't use drip irrigation. I just got a small one, but there are longer ones if you have really tall planters or if you have really mature plants in the ground that needs deep watering. And it's really simple. You just attach it to your hose and then stick the watering wand into your soil and turn the water on and let it run for a few minutes, or if you use containers, until you see the water running out from the bottom. You can see here that on this particular wand, that water comes out of three different holes, which helps distribute the water around. For containers, you may need to move the wand to another part or other sides of your containers to fully deep water them, depending on their size, but this hose attachment really does help with the task of deep watering. And ultimately, I think you will end up saving water because instead of watering heavily on top of the soil, waiting for the water to get down through all of the layers of soil, you are getting the water right down at the root level from the get go. It's such a simple tool that can really make a huge difference. So if you have plants that need deep watering, I'd definitely give one of these a try.